Family sanibingelele egameni lika Jesu waseNazaretha uMr Mega ugogo khulumayo ngiphethe ugaba egameni lika Jesu Mr X
bafo sikhona ke namhlanje siphethe ihlelo lihle limnandi ya sithi nwele
unwele liyahluma ngani wami quickly nje uyazi lolu hlelo leli lethu gogo nogaba we are now trying to or we want to motivate someone osekhaya baningi abantu abadlula einhlungwini baningi abantu abadlula kuma challenges baningi abantu abadlula kuma pains as we speak now ngifisa ukuqonda mngani wami ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi umuntu umedlula kuba challenges kodwa ithemba lakhe libe kuKristu Jesu ancike kuKristu Jesu ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi uma ukholwa udlule ngama challenges bese into yokuqala uthi uThixo bekuphi bese usuka kuye na umbuzo uthi noma into engifuna sikhulume ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi kuleso simo leso noma kuleyo pain but ungawa doubt amandla kaNkulunkulu
you know bafo kunezwi that I love it so much
Taka X
elithetha ngumntaka Job
Nkosi yami
this man iBhayibheli ithi wena mnganami le ndoda kwenzeka ukuthi one day there was a meeting ezulwini and uJehova ubiza umhlangano and unfortunately the enemy was there in that meeting
Nkosi yami
kwenzeka ukuthi uThixo wabuza uSathana wena usukaphi uthi ngisuka ekuchuchachucheni to and fro
Nkosi yami
and uyabuza uJehova ukuthi umqalile na have you tested have you checked my servant apho ngiyakhona mhlobami I'm going into a place ukuthi kusona kwenzeka umama uhlele endlini
Nkosi yami
kusona kwenzeka utata uhlele endlini uthi I am going through a lot
Nkosi yami
kodwa have you ever asked yourself ukuthi okwenzekayo kwenzeka because of uThixo has trusted you he has allowed the enemy to do whatever I think kuba uSathane ucinga ukuthi i-success okanye i-strength sakho silele kwinto nazo uthi have you tested my servant Ndizowutsho namhlanje ukuthi it is very important before ukuthi sihlale kuKristu simthembe uKristu uthi uYobe after he has tested me I shall come out pure as gold bafo
no isimo zabantu mfowethu zihlukene zinzima and angeke simbukele phansi noma sikhulume kabi ngomuntu othi give up uNkulunkulu manje because ipain mfethu iyakwenza sometimes yabona udideke but ngiyamthanda mfethu incwadi yaCorinthians ithi uNkulunkulu akayikukunika ongaphezulu kwamandla akho amanye amazwi before ungene kuyitest ngani wami uNkulunkulu usuke seyihlolile wayichecka wabona ukuthi ikulingene ingakho wena mngani nami uma ubheka uJeremiah chapter number 1 verse 5 uthi mekhuluma uthi uNkulunkulu ngakwazi umhlaba ungakabi bikho ngakungcwelisa ordained you ngakwenza umprofeti phezukwezizwe ngamanye amazwi ngakwazi ngazi nama challenges ozodlula kuwo ngase ngakunikeza iability so that you can be able to stand against those challenges ngamanye amazwi inwele ziyahluma noma ngabe uboshiwe Samsoni ngabe uboshwe yikweletu noma ngabe umuntu uboshwe ukuhlupheka noma ngabe umuntu uboshwe izifo HIV and AIDS TB kodwa inwele akayikunika ongaphezulu kwamandla akho Taka X
you know mnganami ngiyayithanda uyibeka kahle uthi xa uyibeka uthi uThixo bengikwazi
Nkosi yami
ngifuna utsho uthi ungekadluli uthi ungakafiki kuyo kodwa uJehova abesekwazi ukuthi seludlulile abesekwazi ukuthi you have already crossed over meaning thina we need to put our trust upon the Lord athi Isaiah xa ethetha oh my God athi abo bathembele enkosini omila amaphiko njengokhosi yotsho namhlanje ngithi kwimeko ojongene nazo khakumila amaphiko and start to fly higher kuba le ubhekene nayo ungayibheki phezulu kodwa uyibheke ezantsi kuba wena ufihliwe kunye noKristu kwezasemazulwini indawo.
Athi uJeremiah mtaka X engakafiki ku29:11 uthi ku number 19 chapter 1 verse 19 uthi bazokulwa nawe left right and center kodwa angeke bakwehlule. Ngamanye amazwi God knows ukuthi njengoba sifika noma siphile emhlabeni azoba khona ama challenges, azoba khona ama pains, kuzoba khona ukuhluleka, kuzoba khona ukuhletshwa, kuzoba khona ukuthi abantu bakubukele phansi, abantu bakujikele. Apostoli mina ngikhuluma ngabantu abathandazele wabashumayeza wabafundisa. Siyafika isikhathi sokuthi abantu bakuhlubuke egameni lika Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Kodwa mpostoli ngithi mina kulowo muntu odlula kulawo ma pains, odlula kulawo ma pains kuyenzeka awuzohluma inwele. Asivale mfowethu.
Ziyahluma inwele. Sizotsho ke kuwe mama kuwe na tata ukuthi inwele zakho zizawuhluma. I don't know what you have lost in your life. I don't know ukuthi yini ekushayile, andazi ukuthi abantu bathethe bathini ngawe. So lokwenzeka even as I'm talking to you, you are going through a divorce. So lokwenzeka ndithetha nawe, you are going through a lot. Kodwa bafo ngiyafuna ukutsho ebantwini ukuthi inwele ziyahluma. Noba kunjalo noba seyichithe enini entwenini but inwele ziyahluma.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mntaka accessvala okubalekile mngani wami ukuthi bathembe uJehova noma isimo singathembisi. Ngoba lithi iBhayibheli abamethembayo abasoze bajabhiswa, abasoze bafakwe ehlazweni. Shame and disappointment can never locate them. Mntaka X lisho njalo izwi lithi fethu babheka phezulu ubuso buyakhanya abasoze bajabhiswa. Lithi abamethembayo bafaniswa nentaba yaseSiyoni enganakuzanyazanyiswa. Themba kuJehova kumnyama kubovu egameni lika Jesu. Mntaka X Gaba and Goke siyabonga kakhulu bazalwane, sisho njalo sithi be motivated. Ziyahluma inwele okulahlekile kuyabuya. God bless you in Jesus name.